We know you've been prepping for Small Business Saturday, not to mention promoting the heck out of your specials and events online to get traffic to your store. Now, let's talk about how to keep the excitement and energy high on Small Business Saturday itself. There are a number of other ways to utilize social media to keep everyone engaged the day of. For example, you can run a Small Business Saturday giveaway. You can also offer a discount on your products or services to the first X number of new followers on this day. Also, make sure to use Small Business Saturday hashtags such as hashtag SmallBizSaturday, hashtag SmallBusinessSaturday, and hashtag ShopSmall, as well as engage with the official Small Business Saturday at ShopSmall account. You can also use social media for Small Business Saturday discount codes by revealing a promotional code on this day only. These are just a few ideas to help keep up with engagement and potential customers, and I'm sure you can brainstorm a ton of other ideas to build anticipation for Small Business Saturday. In the meantime, make sure to check us out on social media. Those links will be in the description. Thanks for watching, and best of luck on your Small Business Saturday.